How to fix links not opening on Messenger. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of links not opening on Messenger. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open your Messenger application, and here at the top left you'll be able to see these three horizontal lines, so just click on them. And then here you'll be able to see this gear icon which indicates the settings, so just click on it. And then here you need to scroll down until you find the option that says photos and media, so then click on it. And here you'll be able to see the option that says open in external browser, links shared in messages will open externally. So what you're going to do, you can see that the toggle button is off, so all you have to do is click on it so that the toggle button gets green. So once it's green, that means it's toggled on, and all of your links would be opened on Messenger on any other external website. So if this doesn't resolve your issue, then there is also another method that you can go to your Facebook account, go to settings of your profile menu, and then here you'll be able to see settings and privacy. Just click on it and then click on settings, and after that scroll down till you find the option that says media. And here within the media option, what you're going to do is select the option of open links in any external browser, and once you open that toggle button over here as well, your links would be by default be opened on any external browser. So that's it for today's video. I hope you understood how to open Messenger links on any external browser. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.